Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 2 to the power square root of x is equal to 8 to the power x. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Okay, at first we can write 2 to the power square root of x is equal to 2 to the power 3 whole power x, because 2 to the power 3 are same as same 8, or 2 to the power square root of x is equal to 2 to the power 3x. Here we can apply this rule: a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power mn. Or now see, here are same base but different powers, so we can write square root of x is equal to 3x. Or squaring both sides, we can write square root of x whole square is equal to 3x whole square. Or this square root cancel out this square, so it will be remaining x, and here 3x whole square, that means 3x times 3x. Or x is equal to 3 times 3, that means 9, x times x, that means x square. Or this x taking to right side, we will get 9x square minus x is equal to 0. Or taking common x, we will get 9x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now see, here are two cases: one, x is equal to 0, or 9x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 9x is equal to this negative 1 taking to right side, we will get positive 1, or divided by 9 both side, we will get 9x over 9 is equal to 1 over 9. So the value of x is 1 over 9. Now verify. Here are two values of x, 1 0 and 1 over 9. Our equation is 2 to the power square root of x is equal to 8 to the power x. When x is equal to 0, we can write 2 to the power square root of 0 is equal to 8 to the power 0. Or 2 to the power square root of 0, that means 0 is equal to 8 to the power 0. Now here we can apply this rule: a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 1. So the value, so left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now when x is equal to 1 over 9, then 2 to the power 1 over 9 square root is equal to 8 to the power 1 over 9. Or here square root of 1 over 9, that means 1 over 3 is equal to, here we can write 2 to the power 3, because 2 to the power 3 are same as same 8 whole over 1 over 9. Or 2 to the power 1 over 3 is equal to, here we can apply this rule: a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m n. Applying this rule here, we can write 3 times 1 over 9. This 3 cancel out this 9, it will be remaining 3. So 2 to the power 1 over 3 is equal to 2 to the power 1 over 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the value of x is 0 or 1 over 9. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.